आत्मा नाही. गुरुशिवाय ज्ञान नाही, ज्ञानशिवाय आत्मा नाही. धैर्य कर्म ध्यान ज्ञान, धैर्य कर्म ध्यान ध्यान, सर्व काही गुरुचेच देण, सर्व काही गुरुचेच देण. Good morning to one and all. My name is Pritam Sachin Pujari. I am studying in 5th standard. Today I am here to shed light significance of Guru Purnima and highlight the importance of Guru in the lives. In Sanskrit, a meaning of Guru, someone who eliminates a darkness, who is not just a teacher but also guiding light. Important knowledge and wisdom, installing value and morals in their students. Gurus play an essential role. Gurus play an essential role in our development. In India, we dedicate express to gratitude, to admiration, to selfless. Guru is known as Guru Purnima. गुरु असतो ध्यास कीर्तीचा, गुरु असतो स्वास्फूर्तीचा, गुरु असतो ध्यास कीर्तीचा, गुरु असतो स्वास्फूर्तीचा, गुरु असतो मार्ग यशाचा, गुरु असतो मार्ग यशाचा, गुरु असतो किरण आशेचा, गुरु असतो किरण आशेचा. Guru Purnima is celebrated as full moon on the day of the month of Ashada. On this great day we remember a great teacher named Maharshi Vedas. He completed deep knowledge about God's self existence in life to text is called Vedas. He is regarded the author of Mahabharata and Puranas. Guru Purnima is celebrated as strong bond and trust between the teachers and students. Krishna is like a true teacher, but also helps the Arjuna in the difficult time. गुरु असतो गुरुच्या ऋणाशी कृतज्ञ राहावे, गुरुच्या ऋणाशी कृतज्ञ राहावे, मोल आयुष्याचा जाणून घ्यावे, गुरुच्या चरणी स्वर्ग पाहावे, त्या चरणी नतमस्तक व्हावे. थँक्यू टू ऑल माय टीचर्स. थँक्यू. जय हिंद, जय भारत.